Imagine a world without borders, a world where humanity is united under a single governing body, a world where conflict, poverty, and injustice are things of the past. Today, we're going to explore one of humanity's most enduring dreams, a global government. Let's delve into the potential consequences of such a monumental change and see how it might shape our understanding of governance, cooperation, and the future of our species. The concept of a global government is fraught with challenges. The world is a diverse place, with different cultures, languages, and political systems. Establishing a unified authority would require overcoming significant obstacles, such as sovereignty. Nations are fiercely protective of their sovereignty, and relinquishing control to a global body would be a major concession. Cultural differences. Diverse cultures and values can make it difficult to reach consensus on global issues. Economic inequality. The world is marked by significant economic inequality, which could make it difficult to establish a fair and just global government. Despite these challenges, a global government could offer significant benefits, including peace and stability. A unified authority could help prevent wars and conflicts, leading to a more peaceful and stable world. Environmental protection. Global cooperation could be essential for addressing pressing environmental issues, such as climate change and pollution. Economic prosperity. A global government could promote economic growth and development by eliminating trade barriers and promoting international cooperation. Human rights. A unified authority could help protect human rights and ensure that everyone has equal opportunities. While a global government offers potential benefits, it also raises important questions. For example, accountability. How would a global government be held accountable to its citizens? Democracy. How would democratic principles be applied on a global scale? Power dynamics. How would power be distributed among different regions and nations? The idea of a global government is a complex and controversial one. While there are significant challenges to overcome, the potential benefits are also immense. Ultimately, the future of humanity may depend on our ability to work together and establish a global governance system that is just, equitable, and sustainable. Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe,